Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Kanishk. There is some network issues at my place, so I have to keep the camera off and I have to continue the class this way because there is a network issues at my place, like I've mentioned. Okay, how are you, Kanishk? How was your day?
Ma'am, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good as well. How was your day?
Ma'am, it is going normal only.
Okay, have you renewed your tenure with LingoQ, something like that? Because the class was not there on Monday.
Yes, ma'am. The we have to pay the May fees also. That's why.
I didn't get you what?
Ma'am, we have to pay the May fees also. That's why.
Okay. So that is why you are having class till May now.
Uh, no, ma'am. You could say now in the end of May, I have to pay again in the another month in June.
Okay. Got it. I mean, I didn't get what is the issues with the pay and all, but yeah,
Yes.
got it. Got it. Okay. Okay, Kanish. How was your day? What have you done so far?
Ma'am, I I took a bath only because I woke up at 12:30 only. No, 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Hmm. Okay. And how was your birthday then? What have you done after the day got over?
Ma'am, we we
Hmm.
we we cut the cake in the evening, which ma'am.
Hmm. Hello. Kanishk,
The
your voice is
virtual
breaking a lot. Can you please check if your connection is stable?
call. My is call. I can't hear you.
Hello.
Oh,
Your
yes, ma'am. My internet connection.
your connection is very unstable because your voice is breaking a lot and your video is also
Ma'am,
stopped.
I am closing my camera.
कनिष्क प्लीज रिजॉइन द मीटिंग मुझे आपकी आवाज़ बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही कट कट के आ रही बहुत ज़्यादा सो इफ पॉसिबल कैन यू प्लीज रिजॉइन
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's better if you keep your video shut because internet connection issue is from your end this time. So yeah. Okay. So what were we talking about? We were talking about what we have done so far. Yeah. How have you celebrated your birthday?
So, ma'am, my this class, my mother made a cake for me, a
Hmm.
birthday cake, and then we did a virtual birthday. You could say we did a virtual cake cutting.
Okay. How did you do virtual birthday cake cutting?
I called Kavi and his mother and father, and my two cousins, my
Hmm.
dadu dadi,
Hmm.
and my two friends from my school.
Okay.
And then we cutted the cake.
We cut the cake. Cutted is wrong word. We cut the cake.
Okay, ma'am, we cut the cake.
Okay. That is great. And what have you had in the dinner that day?
Ma'am, in the dinner, my mother made rajma chawal.
Oh, rajma chawal. Do you like rajma chawal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't like Rajma Chawal at all. I don't know, it's very
Okay.
overrated. Rajma Chawals are very overrated. सबको बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, इतना कुछ खास मुझे नहीं लगता राजमा चावल में. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for today's class, we'll be having a discussion on YouTube because apparently you are very connected to YouTube and the topic of interest, according to you, matlab for you, is YouTube. So you would be able to speak more on this topic, I feel. So yeah, we'll be having a conversation on YouTube, and yeah, that is it. उसके अलावा uh,
Hmm.
the other topic which we can have a discussion on is something related to food or something related to games. These two are the topics which I have in my mind for today because I have other topics as well because we are provided with the list of topics, and the other topics I have are of horror movies or things like that. But you apparently don't watch horror movies, right? You are more into comedy
Yes,
movie.
ma'am.
Yeah. So let's start with the class. Tell me how can we you are in YouTube, okay? You are in that
Yes,
community.
ma'am.
So tell me the pros and the cons of YouTube according to you.
Ma'am, the the pros are the good things and cons are the bad things.
Pros are the good things, cons are the bad things.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, the good things are those things only that we can upload the videos and they're having a very good facility for us.
Hmm.
These are my pros for them. And cons are that they should not keep this copyright thing that if you use any movie, any movies, song or something like that, so they give us copyright. And if
Copyright
your
is
channel
mandatory.
is,
Hmm.
yes, ma'am, if your channel is monetized and on your video it is copyright, so you can't earn money from that video.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Of course,
That's
copyright
why I
issue,
don't like this.
copyright strike is for that only. Yeah. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am, this is my pros and cons.
According to you, this is your pro and this is the con.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay. Other than that, one more question I had was, ki, um, why do you feel that copyright should be removed? Because just because you can't earn money, or is there any other reason? Because as far as I believe, copyright strike should be there, वरना कोई भी तुम्हारा content उठा के paste कर देगा और पैसे कमा लेगा. So don't you think it is mandatory to have copyrights? Otherwise, anybody would pick up your content and paste it and will earn money, probably more than you.
Ma'am,
So,
ma'am, this no. Ma'am, this copyright thing is just for songs and things. But if you are using anybody's video, so the YouTuber have a have a option to give your
YouTuber
channel strike.
has YouTuber has, it's not have, it has.
YouTuber has a option of giving a strike to the other YouTuber if the other YouTuber is using his or her video. And ma'am, if on your channel there are three strikes, so your channel would be, you could say, finished, banned.
Banned from YouTube.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
But
okay.
I like that strike thing because no one can take your content. But if you're using his or her song, so I think it could be fine, but they're giving copyright on this thing also.
I feel that copyright strike is a mandatory thing. But don't you think, Kanishk, it is so diplomatic of you? Diplomatic in the sense that you are saying from the two sides. आपको कॉपीराइट्स नहीं चाहिए, बट आपको चाहिए कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक होनी चाहिए. डोंट यू थिंक इट्स टू डिप्लोमेटिक ऑफ यू? Because as a YouTuber, you know that each and every
Yes.
person has different content to make. You make daily vlogs. I'm good in music, so I'll make vlogs on, or I'll make a musical video. So for vloggers like you, it's a copyright strike, but for a musician like me, a singer like me, I have a copyright. So don't you think it is very diplomatic that you want a copyright strike, but you don't want a
Now,
copyright?
the thing is that copyright is a different thing and copyright strike is a different thing.
Then explain it to me. What is a copyright strike and what is a copyright?
Okay. Ma'am,
In
in
detail, because
copyright,
I have
if
no
you
knowledge
are
of that. Hmm.
okay. So, ma'am, in copyright, the thing is that you cannot use anybody's song or
Okay.
something, filmy song, those things. If you are singing on your own, you can use that thing. But if you use someone's song, like you could say, Kurta Pajama Kala Kala. So if you're using this song of Tony Kakkar on in your video, so it would be a copyright video. YouTube will give you a no. YouTube will send you a email that in this video we are giving you copyright. And if your channel is also monetized, you can't earn money from that video. And ma'am, in copyright strike, the thing is that in strike,
Hmm.
if you're using someone's video on your channel, like that whole video on your channel, so the other YouTuber whose video is that,
Hmm.
that YouTuber will get an option for giving a strike on your channel. Like people make fake channels of some gamers, YouTubers, vloggers, that type of thing thing is strike. And if on your channel there are 3 strikes, your channel would be banned forever.
Okay. 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 Got it. I still feel copyright should be there because it doesn't take much of the money to make a YouTube video, normal YouTube video, but it takes.
Ma'am, but if there are some small YouTubers, uh, those channels are monetized, so I think for them the copyright issue would be not there, but they are giving copyright. Because the copyright strike is a good thing that no one can get your own video, your own content, but the song is for the person who is making the song is making that thing for the public only. And if the public is using your song, only the song, not the video, not the
Hmm.
video of the song. If someone is using the video of the song, the So the musician would get a option to give a strike on that channel. But if you're just using the song, that is giving you copyright. But I want that there should be no copyright because the musician is making this song for the public only, not for himself.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Um. Yeah, but मुझे तो still I'll stand on my opinion that when you are actually making a YouTube video, you basically see you are a vlogger, right? You don't actually have much expenses while you are vlogging for your day-to-day life, right? आप पैसे नहीं डाल रहे हो एक वीडियो बनाने में because you're just making video around your life, what you are doing, how you are doing, आप पूरे दिन में क्या करते हो, कैसे करते हो, आप उसी पे वीडियो बनाते हो. So you don't need to give out much expenses. But when there's a
Yes.
musical video, literally crores of rupees are invested in that video. Not lakhs, but crores. For the
Ma'am,
costume,
if they
makeup.
spend their money in crores or millions, ma'am, the thing is that if they upload that video on YouTube, all the musicians upload videos on YouTube. So, ma'am, they're getting money from YouTube also, and in in YouTube they are getting money in dollars.
Yeah, but still, it is their own creation. Uh, Lyrics ले लो आप, words ले लो, it is their own creation. तुम कोई scene ले लो, okay, the directed scene. For example, the flowing of hair, okay, or the slow-mo running or anything. It is their creation. So if you are picking out something of their creation and if you are putting it in your vlog just to make it look little better or just to make it look little more funnier or little more sarcastic, then you are actually stealing someone else's creativity to make your thing creative.
Ma'am, the thing is that if you're using someone's song, it will give you copyright, not the strike.
Exactly, it should be because आप खुद में किसी और का घुसा के views बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. That is what my point is. You are adding someone else's
No, ma'am,
creativity
just
in
using
your.
the song. That's the thing.
I still feel that copyright thing is mandatory. Otherwise, everyone would
Okay.
just insert some or other songs in some or others. Even in our literature field, we have to write research papers and we have plagiarism, which basically means कि आपका पूरा का पूरा जो भी आपने लिखा है, it would be plagiarized. Plagiarized is basically a act of stealing something. So if you are caught, if it is there that you have stolen this writing from someone else's writing or you have stolen this thing from someone else's, then you would be gone in the jail. So the copyright thing is actually plagiarism of YouTube. कि आपने किसी और को उठाया खुद में डाला आप जेल जाओगे. I have heard many times that a famous YouTuber named Triggered Insan, something like that is his name, I guess.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
he gets maximum copyright strikes because वो कुछ ना कुछ किसी का उठा के खुद की वीडियो में डालता है to make it funny. So every time he gets copyright issue.
No, ma'am.
My sister only told me that in almost each and every puja, Dinchak Puja's video, he got copyright issue. Copyright strike, I mean, not the copyright, but copyright strike. Like the 3 warnings you get, right, in copyright strike? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, एक बार strike मिली, if you don't remove, then you'll get strike again. If you don't remove, then the final strike में it would be taken off from the YouTube, right? Or else you won't be
Ma'am,
able to earn
on
money.
on Triggered Insan channel, he is having one strike. That's the thing.
Okay, I may be wrong, I may be right. I'm not much into YouTube. I am always, I mean, not always, but I am more of a Netflix person. I watch everything on Netflix only. I'm not at all much into YouTube, but I have heard this thing. I had a knowledge of copyright.
Ma'am, can you tell me any new movie? Because my mom would watch it, horror or something like that.
Horror or something on Netflix, but is she okay with English movies?
Ma'am, she only watch English movies only.
Acha, she watches English movie only, right? So, if she wants to watch horror movie, then there is a whole series of horror movies. Paranormal Activities. The
No,
name of
ma'am, no, see, not the series.
no
She
no
watches only
वैसे नहीं बोल रही. जैसे गोलमाल मूवी कैसा है हमारा? गोलमाल 1, गोलमाल 2, गोलमाल रिटर्न. Then how we have Houseful, Houseful 1, Houseful 2, Houseful 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that भी मूवी है. Paranormal Activity 1, Paranormal Activity 2, 3, 4. जो पसंद आए आपको, you can watch that. That is really good in horror movie.
Ma'am, can you write the name in the chat box?
Yeah, I'll just write it down. Is there any specificity which your mom wants to watch? कि मैम मुझे ऐसे लाइट देखना है या फिर मैम मुझे हिंदी में देखना है या फिर मैम मुझे इंग्लिश में देखना है, बट इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक टू स्ट्रॉन्ग पावरफुल इंग्लिश. इट वुड बी समथिंग आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. Anything like that?
No, ma'am, my mom watches only English movies and and horror movies only. She like horror movies.
ओहो, नाइस नाइस. मुझे भी हॉरर मूवीज बहुत अच्छी लगती है, बट आई एम टू स्कैर्ड टू वॉच हॉरर मूवीज. too scared. And kabhi kabhi if I feel that I need to do something and like my life is getting very boring to me, I just try to risk this and I try to watch a horror movie at night, but I always fail. So yeah, see, even this is really nice. Insidious. I guess your mom must have watched this. Insidious. The name of the movie is Insidious, The Last Key. You can add it in your watch list. It's really nice. Insidious, The Last Key is nice. Then The Girl on the Third Floor is really nice. Girl on the Third Floor is really nice. I guess your mom must have watched these movies, no? Conjuring Wali series. Conjuring 1, Conjuring 2, Annabella.
Ma'am, I don't know because I don't watch these horror movies.
And one is Ouija board. It's really nice. It is a belief that Ouija board is basically a board game. जैसे Ludo होती है ना, वैसे it's a board game. And by playing this game, you can actually call spirits.
Okay.
Yes, I'm just writing down all the names of movies which your mom can watch. These are the nice and what can we say?
Annabella, I think she has watched it.
I am sure she must have watched this because this was one of the very famous horror movie.
Okay.
सबने
I don't
देखी
know.
होगी. This is also nice. Sabrina. You can watch all these movies. These are really nice movies. Wait. Insidious Chapter 2 is also nice. You can just give this list to your mom and tell her कि मस्त दोपहर को बंद कर
Yes,
दो
ma'am.
पढ़ते
I'm
पढ़ते.
copy and I'm copy and pasting in my father's WhatsApp number.
Acha, you can ask your mom to just, sit, relax in the afternoon and just watch this.
Yes, ma'am. She relaxes in the afternoon. First, first she does her work,
Mm.
all the kitchen work, making the food, and something on YouTube in the morning. And then in the evening, she takes some rest.
Hmm. Perfect. See, we have this four. One is paranormal. Then we have paranormal activity 2, paranormal. This all are movies only, so don't worry. Paranormal
Okay.
activity 3.
And ma'am, these all are on
नेटफ्लिक्स.
Netflix only.
यस, ये मेरी वॉच लिस्ट में ही है और मैंने देखी हुई है ऑलमोस्ट सारी. सो डोंट वरी, दिस ऑल आर फ्रॉम नेटफ्लिक्स ओनली. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू माय नेटफ्लिक्स ओनली कि मैंने कौन सी देखी हुई है. देन
Oh,
यू
okay.
हैव द पोजेशन. इट्स
Now, ma'am, mom
अमेजिंग.
has now, mom has a lot of movies for watching.
Yes. Your mom can literally just sit and
Or
watch.
my mom says that no movies coming on Netflix.
नेटफ्लिक्स. आई मीन सीरियसली नेटफ्लिक्स को क्या करना चाहिए पता है. व्हेन दे नो नेटफ्लिक्स इंडिया को पता है कि अभी लॉकडाउन है मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री में, दे शुड
Yeah, they
एक्चुअली
should
रिलीज.
upload a lot of movies.
Exactly. Even I am so tired because I have watched almost everything from Netflix.
Yes,
Everything from Netflix. So I'm also like,
my mom says. My mom says that हमने तो सारे that Netflix and Prime Video and all that सबकी movies start रखी हैं because my mom and my father has watched all the movies.
Exactly. I have not watched all the movies, but जितनी मुझे अच्छी लगती है, whichever I like, I
Yes,
watch
ma'am,
the
that's
movies.
so funny.
Whichever series I like, I watch those series, but I have nothing left. And I'm like, Netflix should actually release most of their movies and most of their series at this time when they know that half of the India is in lockdown. Half of the people of India are at home doing work from home.
Yes, ma'am.
I guess I have given you quite a lot suggestion. 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
ma'am.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 movies. Your mom is sorted for at least a week. Even if she has watched half of the movie, she can still watch the remaining half.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why are you not interested in horror movies?
Ma'am, because I am scared with these horror things.
What will go wrong?
What, ma'am?
What will happen? What is the worst thing that can happen? क्या करेगा भूत कर करके
Ma'am,
भी?
nothing would happen. But I don't like these horror movies. They're very scary. That's why. My mother and father only watches.
Yes, yes, yes. I had so many encounters, horror encounters in my life. So I'm no longer scared of any of such things.
Ma'am, I don't get it. What are you saying?
मैंने मेरी लाइफ में इतनी बार देखे भूत, इतनी बार मिली हुई हूँ मैं भूत से कि अब मुझे खुद को डर नहीं लगता.
Oh,
Yes. So I'm no
you are a
longer.
friend of ghost.
I'm not a friend of ghosts. How can a human be friend of ghosts? Hey, if your mom wants to watch a really nice Hindi movie of ghosts, it's a very nice, very cute movie. The name is Paheli. I'm sure your mom must have watched this, but it's amazing. मुझे इतनी पसंद है ये movie. You can ask your mom to watch this. You can recommend your mom to watch this.
Okay.
Yeah.
My mom would be now very happy that thank you, Avi, that you
Suggested
said
me.
to your ma'am
Ask.
that please give some movies names. Now she watch movies.
Yes, yes, yes. Always, always. You
And
don't
now
have
I think I would not get the TV.
to. Yeah, but you can always watch it from your mobile phone, na? Multiple screen होते हैं
Yes,
Netflix
ma'am.
में
Ma'am,
तो.
but the thing is that when you're watching in your TV, so you can't watch in your phone.
That is so true. I don't like, but I am the other person. मुझे बड़े screen में देखना नहीं अच्छा लगता. I don't like to watch it on laptop or on TV. I don't even like to watch it on mobile phone. I like to watch it on iPad. The size is perfect
Oh,
of an iPad.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Not too big, not too small. Perfect.
Hmm.
Yes.
My mother watches the movies in TV, 65 inches TV. It's a very big TV, so she likes it.
Mm-hmm. You also watch it on TV, no?
What are you saying, ma'am?
You also watch it on TV, no?
Yes, ma'am. She watches in the TV only.
No, I'm asking about you.
Ma'am, I only watch movies sometimes because I like comedy movies. That's why, or I watch things on YouTube only.
Mm-hmm. What do you watch the most on YouTube?
Ma'am, gaming videos, vlogs, these things only.
And whose vlogs you watch the most? Who's your favorite
Ma'am,
vlogger?
Saurav Joshi vlogs, but he is unwell because in his family all of them are COVID positive.
Okay, and if not Saurabh Joshi, then who do you watch for vlogs?
Ma'am, I like him only.
Just him, you just watch his vlogs?
Yes, ma'am, I watch his vlogs only, and sometimes that I don't remember the name. The lady lives in a village, Anita, like something that only the name is. I don't remember the name
And what are
of
her
the lady.
vlogs related to?
Ma'am, normal the things she is doing. She makes non-veg non-veg food and very tasty things because his
Her.
his husband is a, you could say, he manages a dhaba named Lala Ji Ka Dhaba in Delhi, but till now the COVID-19 is going on, so they all are in the village only.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice, 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 good. And for gaming, whom do you watch?
Ma'am, Chapati Hindustani Gamer, Logi Hindustani Gamer, and Techno Gamers. There are a lot of names.
Okay. So mostly you watch the gaming wali videos.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Good, good. One of my friends was also a gamer and he also had. I mean, most of the boys of your age have a YouTube video related to gaming.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because this is the age for fun.
Yes. Definitely. This is the age for fun. And this is, I mean, you guys are still too young to explore any other field of YouTube. So you are good at this particular field and you should make the most out of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So what is up with your channel these days? What kind of content you are posting on your channel?
Ma'am, gaming and sometimes vlogs.
Okay, what was your latest vlog about?
Ma'am, I'm not uploading vlogs because I'm not having a content for vlogs. So I'm just uploading some gaming videos. My latest video was for house tour.
Okay,
My new house tour.
I saw your mom's YouTube video on house tour. I have not seen your video.
Okay.
Yes. कोई बात नहीं. I'll see your video as well. Don't worry.
Okay. My
Yes.
father has also uploaded a house tour video. My mother has also, and I have also uploaded.
It's okay. I've seen your mother. अब तुम तीनों एक ही घर में रहते हो. मैंने देख लिया तुम्हारा घर.
Ma'am, if you would watch my mother's video, it would be same thing. And if you will watch my video, it would be same thing. But the way of explanation would be different.
Okay. I have also noticed this, and your mother has also said this in the video as well, that your house actually has too many doors.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I mean, but the best thing I loved about your house is the best thing about your house is your balcony, the L-shaped balcony, which is
Yes,
आपके
ma'am.
डोर से भी खुलती है, आपके मम्मी के डोर से भी खुलती है, मम्मी के रूम से भी खुलती है. That is the best. Your balcony is very beautiful, and the night
Thank
lamps,
you, ma'am.
pillar lamps which you have attached, that looks very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you.
And with that also, I love that your mom has made a wash basin, like a small vanity, so
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
can come out, you can brush, wash your hands and all. That is also very nice. So, matlab in your entire house, I loved your balcony the most.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, then, Kanishk, I guess we had a good conversation today about copyright and copyright strike and all. Um,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
We had a good talk about YouTube.
Yes. Something which interests you a lot. So I guess I'll see you in the next class then. तब तक के लिए take
Okay, ma'am.
care and have a nice day and be safe. Stay home. Bye bye.
Same to you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye.
Have a nice day.
You too.